Hi, my name is Tony Martinez from Stellar Properties, and today I'd like to cover a recent article that I read from Fortune magazine that covered the 5 trends that we can expect for the real estate market in 2017. And those 5 trends are rising interest rates, loosening credit, the rise of medium-sized cities, new home builds, and foreign buyers investing in the United States. So the first one I'd like to cover is rising interest rates. So the Fed raised interest rates for the first time in about a decade last year, and most experts expect that interest rates will rise a couple times over the course of the next year. Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae are increasing the loan limit for their loans, which should help buyers buying in more expensive markets to be able to finance those properties easier. Now, the second trend is the loosening of credit. And so the mortgage companies are kind of loosening up what their standards are. After the recession, those standards had tightened up, and now we're seeing a little loosening of that, and that should enable more and more buyers to enter the market. The third element is new home building. So builders have been ramping up their supply, but they had been constrained because of lack of workers. But now that we've had a couple years growth in that sector, they're able to raise the wages. That's attracting more workers to come into that field. And so that's enabling developers to develop faster. And so we should see that new home market really explode here in 2017. The fourth factor is the rise of medium-sized cities. So while people are flocking to New York and San Francisco for those higher-end jobs, there's only a certain amount of housing in those cities because of geography constraints or zoning constraints. And so with housing going so high in those cities, people are deciding to take lower-priced jobs in the medium-sized cities because the housing is so affordable. So we'll see cities, even in this local region like Fort Collins or Arvada, Westminster, just growing and seeing large increases in appreciation and floods of people moving to these areas. So that trend should continue. And then the fifth trend is foreign buyers. And foreign buyers oftentimes have difficulty buying property in their homeland because of government restrictions or an unstable economy. So I am working with more and more foreign buyers, and I'm working with a couple buyers from Europe and a couple from Asia to look at investment properties or maybe a property that they may live in one day. And so that trend should continue. Foreign buyers shall continue to be active in our marketplace. So those are the 5 hot trends in our marketplace. And if you have any folks that would be interested to talk to me about their real estate needs, please send them my way, Tony Martinez, Stellar Properties. Thank you.